Operating systems. An operating system, OS, is a type of software that manages the hardware resources of a computer system and provides common services for applications. It acts as an intermediary between the computer hardware and the user software. Some common examples of operating systems are Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. OS functions. The operating system performs a range of functions that make the computer system usable and efficient. Some of the key functions of an operating system include starting and shutting down a computer. The operating system manages the process of starting up and shutting down a computer system, including loading the necessary files and drivers. Providing a user interface, the operating system provides a graphical user interface, GUI, or a command line interface, CLI, for the user to interact with the computer system. Managing programs. The operating system manages the execution of programs and provides a way to switch between them. Managing memory. The operating system manages the allocation of memory to programs and ensures that each program has enough memory to run properly. Coordinating tasks. The operating system manages the scheduling of tasks and ensures that each task is given the necessary resources to complete its execution. Configuring devices. The operating system manages the configuration of devices such as printers, scanners, and cameras, making them available to the user. Establishing an internet connection. The operating system provides the necessary drivers and software to establish an internet connection, including the configuration of network settings. Monitoring performance. The operating system monitors the performance of the computer system and provides information about resource usage, such as CPU and memory usage. Providing file management and other utilities. The operating system provides tools for managing files and folders, including creating, moving, copying, and deleting files. Updating software automatically. The operating system provides automatic updates to software, ensuring that the system is up to date with the latest security patches and bug fixes. Controlling a network. The operating system manages the configuration of network settings and provides tools for monitoring network activity and managing network resources. Administering security. The operating system provides security features such as user authentication, access control, and encryption to protect the computer system from unauthorized access and attacks. OS types. There are different types of operating systems that serve different purposes. Some of the commonly used types are standalone OS. This type of operating system is designed for use on a single personal computer or workstation. Examples include Windows and Mac OS. Server OS. This type of operating system is designed for use on servers that provide network services such as file sharing, email, and web hosting. Examples include Windows Server and Linux Server. Embedded OS. This type of operating system is designed for use in embedded systems, such as digital cameras, ATMs, and medical devices. Examples include Android and Windows Embedded. Windows OS developed by Microsoft. Windows is a popular operating system for personal computers and servers. It comes in different versions such as Windows 10, Windows Server, and Windows Embedded. Linux OS. Linux is an open-source operating system that is widely used for servers and embedded systems. It is also gaining popularity as a desktop operating system. Examples include Ubuntu, Fedora, and Red Hat. OS utility programs. Utility programs are software tools that are designed to perform specific tasks to help manage the computer system. Some common utility programs that are included in operating systems are File Manager. This utility program provides a graphical interface for managing files and folders on the computer system. Search Utility. This utility program helps users to search for files and folders on the computer system quickly and efficiently. Uninstaller. This utility program helps users to uninstall software programs from the computer system. Image Viewer. This utility program provides a way to view and manage image files on the computer system. Disk Cleanup. This utility program helps users to free up disk space by removing unnecessary files, such as temporary files, old log files, and unused system files. Disk Defragmenter. This utility program helps to optimize the performance of the hard drive by reorganizing fragmented files. Backup and restore utilities. These utility programs help users to create backups of important files and restore them in case of data loss or system failure. Screensaver. This utility program displays moving images or patterns on the screen when the computer is idle, helping to protect the screen from image burn-in. Firewall. This utility program helps to protect the computer system from unauthorized access by controlling network traffic. Antivirus programs. These utility programs help to protect the computer system from viruses, malware, and other types of malicious software. Spyware and adware removers. These utility programs help to remove spyware and adware from the computer system, which can compromise user privacy and security. File compression. This utility program helps to reduce the size of files by compressing them, making it easier to store and transfer them. Media player. This utility program provides a way to play audio and video files on the computer system. Disk burning. This utility program provides a way to burn files onto CDs, DVDs, and other types of optical media. Personal computer maintenance. Regular maintenance of a personal computer can help to ensure its smooth and efficient operation. Some maintenance tasks that users can perform include running antivirus and malware scans to detect and remove any threats, running disk cleanup and disk defragmenter to free up disk space and optimize the hard drive, updating the operating system and software programs to the latest versions, which can improve performance and security, backing up important files and folders to an external hard drive or cloud storage service to protect against data loss, cleaning the computer system, including the keyboard, mouse, and screen, to remove dust and debris, checking the computer system for hardware issues, such as overheating or failing components, and taking appropriate action if needed, adjusting power settings to optimize energy usage and prolong battery life on laptops and other portable devices.